Now for exercise 8.3, we need the formula of a complementary angle. Suppose we have sine theta, so this I can write as cos 90 minus theta. Okay, first formula. And cos theta can be replaced by sine 90 minus theta. Okay, second one, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, and cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. This complementary of tan, it is read as. Third one, that is sec theta can be written as cosec 90 minus theta. Cosec theta can be written as sec 90 minus theta. Okay, or vice versa. If this is given, then we can replace this. If this is given, we can replace this depending upon the question. But we need to remember sine is a complementary of cos. So we can, this is a short form cos. This can be stand for complementary of sine, and this is complementary of tan. This is complementary of sec theta, that is sec 90 minus theta. Okay, this formula we will use to simplify the exercise 8.3. Now we will take the example from the exercise. Okay, now first one, it is given as sine 18. We have to find the values of sine 18 upon cos 72. So I can apply the complementary of sine, that is 90 minus cos theta. So this will become cos of 90 minus theta is 18 here, so 19 minus 18, and this will I will write as it is. So this is cos 72. So when you subtract this, we will get cos 72 upon cos 72. Here you can write the formula cos 90 minus theta, which is same as sin theta. Now I can cancel this cos with cos, we'll get answer 1. So value of this question is 1. Okay, then we have question number 2, that is second one, tan 26 upon cot 64. Okay, so tan 26 you can write as sin theta can be written as cos 90 minus, so tan 64 can be written as cot 90 minus 26 upon cot 64. Then this will become cot 64 upon cot 64, which is equal to 1. Okay, either you can directly substitute the formula, or there is another way, that is same way we can write, that is suppose we have given the same question. I'm taking the example, that is example 2, that is we have method second, just slightly changes we have. Suppose sine we have 18 upon cos 72, so this I can write as sine, this I can write as sine 90 minus 72. 18 can be written as 90 minus 72 upon cos 72. Now sine 90 minus theta, which is cos theta, that is cos 72 upon cos 72. So this will give you answer 1. This way also you can solve. Okay, first sum. And the second sum, tan 26 upon cot 64, which is equal to tan, this again you can write as 90 minus 64, which will give you 26 upon cot 64, which is equal to cot 64 upon cot 64, which will give you answer 1. Okay, now question number 3. Third question we have, that is cos 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. So this 48 I can write as cos of 90 minus 42 degree minus sin 42 as it is. Okay, this sin 42 as it is. Now this sin 90 minus cos 90 minus theta is sin 42 minus sin 42, so this will get cancelled, you will get answer 0. So value of this term is 0. Okay, next one also same, that is cosec, fourth one, cosec 31 minus fourth one, cosec 31 minus, both are in degree, sec 59. So this you can write as cosec 90 minus 59 minus sec 59. Okay, now you can replace this as sec 59 minus sec 59, which is equal to 0. Okay,